Bitcoin is still pushing and the crypto market cap is back over $1 trillion. We're going to take a look at the crypto total market cap and Bitcoin specifically. We broke $23,000 as I expected, and I think we're going to see $26,000. We'll take a look at that. You can see that we dropped from approximately $3 trillion all the way to $750 billion, a 75% pullback in total crypto market cap, which is pretty nasty. And you can see we just recaptured $1 trillion, but we're approaching some heavy resistance on the weekly 50 moving average. So are we going to get rejected here and retest lows, or are we going to see money, keep pumping this up? So let's take a look. We're clearly in a downtrend right now, and we've made our lower low right here. So this is actually a perfect resistance point right here. But if we clear that, I would be looking at the 1.3 trillion mark. That could serve as awesome resistance. As you can see, here was support, 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 and now it was turned as resistance after it broke down. You can see it got rejected here, so that could be a resistance point, or the $1.63 trillion mark. I don't think it will go higher than that, and I'm gonna leave that right there actually, so I can take a look at these points later and see how much where we actually get rejected from. I don't think that we are gonna do like a V correction and just kind of do something like this and then blast into all-time highs. I think that the sentiment of the market's completely different. So I think that right now might be a bear market rally or a bull trap. So you need to proceed with caution and do not FOMO in. So you can see here as well, which was awesome, resistance, 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 support, support, support. And this would be, depending on where the weekly is, the 200 moving average could be somewhere along here. So you get some major confluence to take a short if it does get rejected here. And we'll go into Bitcoin. So in yesterday's video, we were taking a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. I just want to note, if we take a look back at Bitcoin's history, and you see that every time it's kind of traded back down into the 200 weekly EMA, that it's bounced pretty significantly. So like from right here, I think it was 165% from the bottom, I think about 300%, and you can see right here as well when we had the 2017 bull market, and in 2018 we traded below the 200 EMA, and now from the bottom to the top it rose 347% before trading back down because of the COVID crash right here, and then we bounced right back up. So that's the V-shaped recovery that I'm talking about, where we just like kind of exploded back to where we dumped from, and then we just shot off into this huge bull run. So you can see right here as well that we are trading under the 200 weekly EMA. It has never actually, as you can see, given us a death cross. So over the next few weeks, we can see kind of what happens here. Are we going to get the death cross on the weekly? Are we going to bounce here? And all that great stuff. So if we look on the daily, and then take our Fibonacci, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from our lower high to our lower low, and I will see some areas of interest. So this would be our lower high to our lower low, and you can see right here we're at some major resistance, and it looks like Bitcoin's trying to push through. So right here you have the 38.2, and then you have the 50 EMA on the daily after Bitcoin breaking out this resistance right here, and it's just trying to break through. This is kind of the area I'm looking for, these two right here, the 26.5K and then the 29K. I don't think we're going to go higher. Personally, I don't think we're going to go higher. I think we'll see like 26.5K or 29K, you know, just before the 30K mark. And same with Ethereum. I'm not sure if it will break 2000. Maybe we'll see like 1895, 1900, and it's just short of 2000, where majority of people will have their orders there. So this is what I'm kind of looking for. Maybe we'll, if we break this right here, get to the 26.5K area and then get to the 29K area. This was the prior lower high. So invalidating 32K would be a big move and then trading above it, but we're far from there. So we have a lot of time to see what Bitcoin does. Right now, as I mentioned in the Discord, if you're not in the Discord, make sure to get in there. I got in at 21K, so my purchase is pretty solid right now. I can't, you know, complain with that, and I'm still holding spot. I'm looking for some shorts, because everything's pumping right now, so I'm looking for some great shorts. Gonna make a list of shorts and just watch that. So aside from that, we have a bunch of travel coming up. We are going to the financial summit in like 10 days from now. So they rented a whole, where is it? They rented a whole castle right here. They rented a whole castle. It's on a resort in the Dominican Republic, and it's just going to be a bunch of traders, investors, you know, hedge fund owners, all that great stuff, people sharing their strategies, you know, what's working for them. And this is the best time to be networking in the bear market. So I want to see you guys. If you can make it there, reach out to me for more information if you are interested, or reach out to Tone Vase directly. And we will be in Toronto directly right after that in the blockchain the futurist summit. I'll be speaking there as well. So I just wanted to do a quick video on Bitcoin, what I'm expecting. I think 26K, if we could break this right here, if we could break this point right here, the daily 50 EMA, trade above it, I think 26.5K is next. We recaptured the $1 trillion mark. Can we make it to the 1.3 or to the 1.6? Let's see. I'll be watching so I can you know, kind of get at a spot and get into some stables. So if we do go lower, then I can buy the dip and I can just keep stacking sats. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have anything specific you want to watch, any coins you guys want to look at, post them in the comments, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.